Coloane Village centers the attraction through pavement of cobblestones of the Eduardo Marques Square. Stands the chapel of St. Francis Xavier, and facing north is the seaside promenade dividing the Macau from the hills of China. Located about 3 miles south of the Macau Peninsula, Coloane Village was known as Macau Trading Port after the arrival of the Portuguese in 1864. The village maintained attractive and colorful walls and urban art in the streets. Coloane Village is one of the few areas in Macau nestled in the heart of nature. With several small businesses operating, it offers a wide selection of local flavors and eats the birthplace of Macau's egg tart, the very popular Lord Stow's bakery. Filled with scenic alleyways, narrow pedestrian roads, local fruit and vegetable stands, local restaurants, and colonial-style villas. Coloane Village is the ideal place for relaxing and waterfront environment in Macau. Nowadays, the Coloane Village is one of the most reminiscing nature lover spots in Macau, ringed by a coastal trail leading to peaceful Villa, the Coloane Trail and the Haxa beaches. Portuguese colonial buildings are well preserved, including the striking yellow chapel of Saint Francis Xavier, and Ama Cultural Village for the Museum of Buddhist Artifacts, including the Tin Hall Temple and the famous Ama statue.